Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making some stuffed French toast. First, you want to cut up your strawberries. You want to cut them up into bite-sized pieces. And make sure you wash your strawberries thoroughly. Also, this recipe was inspired by Smoking and Grilling with AB here on YouTube, so please check his channel out. So after you get all your strawberries cut up, you want to add some sugar. And I'm not measuring how much sugar I put in there. I'm just looking for the right consistency. You want to add enough where it's like a slushy like consistency. And what you want as the strawberries sit is going to become juicier and it's going to make its own syrup. So now we're going to work on our cream cheese filling. You want to use 1 package of cream cheese at room temp, 1/4 of sour cream, and 3/4 of powdered sugar. And you also want to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And here I go making it hard for myself. Use a hand mixer if you have one, because it is really hard to mix up by hand. So now we're going to be making our egg batter for our French toast. Depending on how many French toast you're making determines how many eggs you use. I'm making a good bit, so I'm using 3 eggs, and I'm also using a little bit of almond milk, and I'm going in with a little bit of vanilla as well. Y'all know I love my buttery cinnamon roll, and I'm also going in with some cinnamon and some nutmeg. I'm also going to be adding in some sugar as well. Now it's time to stuff our toast. I am also just using regular sandwich bread for this. I'm not using any brioche bread or anything. So I'm just going to take my filling that I made earlier, and I'm gonna put that on one side of the bread, add my strawberries, and then take another slice of bread and add more cream cheese filling. Then I'm just gonna dip it in my egg mixture and then put it in my pan to cook. This is optional, but I also add a little extra buttery cinnamon roll to the top of my bread. So I'm just going to be repeating the process. You want to put cream cheese filling on both sides of the bread and add strawberries and put them together, just like making a sandwich. Like I said earlier, I like to put a little extra on top. So you want to fry them until they are nice and golden brown, just like this. If you saw earlier, I was flipping that first French toast way too soon, so I'll have to go back and redo that one. Yeah, see, that first one isn't as golden as I want it to be. It should look more like this. So after I get my French toast all plated, I'm going to be adding some powdered sugar and some strawberries to give it a little razzle dazzle to make it cute, you know? And I'm still working on my presentation. I know this isn't the cutest plate ever, but hey, I'm trying, okay? After they are all done, you can make it cute like I did, or you can just dig in and eat it like a sandwich. It's really up to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.